Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, we're serving ice cream, so grab a bowl, sit back and enjoy this video. The ingredients you need to make your homemade ice cream are condensed milk. You need whipping cream powder or the liquid one, which is even better. You need your measuring cups and spoons, of course. You need pink food coloring for the strawberry flavor. You need cold water, very cold water actually. You need cocoa powder. You can buy any brand of your choice. And lastly, you need any flavor or flavors of your choice. You want to start by adding your whipping cream and water to your bowl, and then just let your mixer do its thing. If you don't have a mixer, you can use a whisk to whisk it by hand, but it will take longer than a stand mixer. The full list of ingredients and measurements I'm using for this recipe will be posted in the description box, so please be sure to check it out. You're going to leave this going for about 3 minutes or until it forms a stiff peak. Then you can add your condensed milk and let it mix thoroughly until everything is well combined. Once your condensed milk is fully incorporated, you can now add your evaporated milk and mix again. At this point, your ice cream is 90% done. You can see how smooth and silky it looks. Trust me, you really want to try this recipe. Since I'm making 3 flavors of ice cream, I had to get 3 bowls and then equally divide my ice cream and add the flavors accordingly. So to the first bowl, all I did was add my vanilla flavor and my vanilla ice cream was ready. I made sure to mix it thoroughly so that the flavor is fully incorporated into the ice cream, and just like that, easy peasy lemon squeezy, you have your vanilla ice cream there. To the second bowl, I added my strawberry flavor and a dash of pink food coloring. If you don't have pink food coloring, you can also use red as well. Just use a tiny drop to tint the ice cream lightly and it will give you that strawberry vibe. To the last bowl, I'm adding chocolate flavor and I'll also be adding cocoa powder. Now this cocoa powder was mixed with a little bit of condensed milk. If you add your cocoa powder in powdered form, you're going to get enough lumps in your ice cream. So make sure you dilute it with milk or condensed milk, whichever you prefer. So at this point, the ice cream was pretty much ready. I was just trying to put it in these cups to, add the 3 flavors and just show you how pretty it can look. Yeah, so after putting it in the cups, I went ahead to freeze it before serving. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do well to drop a comment, a suggestion, just to encourage me to keep creating more comments. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see on my channel, and your suggestion might just be the next to pop on this channel. So I also want you to like this video, comment, subscribe if you're yet to. And yeah, this was me covering the bowls so that I could put them in the freezer. And here I was just trying to show you how well the ice cream was scoopable. I didn't have a scoop, but that's the beauty of making something at home. You don't need all the fancy tools. You can just use whatever you have to make what you want. So friends, thank you for taking time out of your day to spend with me. Bye for now, and I'll see you in my next one. Remember, goodies always from Chidi.